A Muslimah says, I know that playing musical instruments is not allowed in Islam. Is it also not permissible for small kids to play musical instruments? The answer is yes. It is prohibited for the grown-ups, the parents, the teachers, to allow the children who are not accountable to play musical instruments, because this is haram. Yes, the children will not be sinful because they are not accountable, but we as grown-ups are and will be held accountable because we allowed them to do something haram. Similarly, if a child were to drink some wine or to smoke or to do haram things, he's not accountable. But it's our sin for not preventing such haram from being committed. And similarly, when lots of the parents would put gold jewelry on their boy child, and we see this with the newborn. So a child that is a month or two old, his parents bring or receive a gift of Ayatul Kursi in a golden necklace, and they make the child wear it. The child is not sinful, but the parents are.